a quick afternoon update on some of these storms starting to pop up throughout the region. So this green area, we do have a flood watch that's going to be in effect until 3 a.m. for tomorrow. Now we are going to keep a very close eye just in case this does get extended at all, as we do have some of these showers expected to linger just a bit. We do have a tornado warning out in Crowley County. Right now we just have this severe thunderstorm warning. This is going to be active if we can get there until about 4 p.m. today. So going to watch for those wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour. Also, that hail is going to be in excess of 1.5 inches in diameter. So certainly get inside if you are stuck in this storm. Other than that, we are going to watch in Huerfano County. We do have some of these burn scars areas that have received a lot of rain over the past few days right near La Vida, where we are seeing some of that heavier rain just lingering right now. So certainly keeping an eye throughout a majority of that region for that flood threat throughout the next few hours or so. Timing this out for you though, if we do head over to Futurecast, we do have a lot of rain that's going to linger in that forecast. Once we do head towards the rush hour time, that's where we're starting to see that main event really for that I-25 corridor, with emphasis on Pueblo to Colorado Springs, where those urban corridors going to struggle with a lot of those heavier rain rates. Push this ahead though, 6 to about 2 a.m. is going to be that main threat for that I-25 corridor. Then we do see, once we get towards those evening hours, real big uptick in that activity, where we are going to see those rain rates upwards of 1, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches per hour throughout the region. Push this ahead, the rain really will linger overnight. It's not one of those events where that sun shuts off and we do see that rain come to an end. By tomorrow morning, could still be holding on to a sprinkle or two, and then more rain is in the forecast for Monday. So we are going to keep a very close eye on Monday once again. Now, with some of these storms for today, there is a marginal risk of that severe weather anywhere in this green area, and that tornado threat will extend out for the plains, not really along that I-25 corridor, which is that good news. But we are going to see some gustier winds with these storms, already seeing that out towards the plains. Going to keep a close eye during that main event hour for the I-25 corridor to see if any of those damaging wind gusts do creep into the region. So the threats with these storms, that flood threat is very high really throughout the majority of the region today. Those burn scars, urban corridors out towards the plains where that soil is already very saturated. Going to keep a very close eye on that. Wind and hail threat that does exist mainly for that I-25 corridor as we do get towards those evening hours, even into the early overnight hours. That tornado threat will stay confined just out to the plains, but something we'll keep a very close eye on. Stay with us here at KRDO. We'll keep you guys updated throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours.